If you love to travel in your custom Mercedes Sprinter but don't love the stock jack, we've got you covered. Introducing SafeJack's newest lift kit, designed with the Mercedes Sprinter van in mind. Including our brand new Sprinter lift pad, we've engineered this add-on for the most secure fit on your van's designated lift point. And our American-made bottle jack extensions will provide you with plenty of additional height for when the stock jack just can't rise to the occasion. Along with the securing lift pad, we're including an 8-ton bottle jack with an extension screw collar, a flat pad and universal pad for extra versatility, a set of foldable wheel chocks, plus a universal bottle jack base for stability, and even a compact jack stand kit to keep your vehicle secure while you work. Our newest kit is the full package. Everything packs neatly into 2 heavy-duty SafeJack bags, making storage and transport easy. Whether you're on the road or working in your garage, this kit ensures you can lift your vehicle or load safely, efficiently, and with confidence. SafeJack is one of the few companies left where you can talk to an actual human over the phone, so don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Just call 509-735-2106. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific, or you can email us at your convenience, info@safejacks.com. SafeJack, support your world.